Content is the main engine of your business. Without good content, your chances of generating more conversions or organic traffic are minimized. Now, according to the objective you have as a client, you can develop the most interesting topics to achieve your goals as an entrepreneur. Ideally, the contents must seek to generate higher conversions and organic traffic to your website or preferred social network. This can boost your expected results. Likewise, there are informative articles that seek to generate organic traffic. There are also other types of articles that seek to generate leads. For all this, I offer you my experience in this type of optimized and unique articles. They are written under a professional research method, incorporating different SEO techniques. Also, taking into account all the aspects required by search engines to be able to position effectively and generate organic traffic. The result is web articles with all the detailed descriptions and with thorough research and high added value that allows them to build domain authority on your website, and thus generate the best articles possible. In addition, I will deliver SEO reports and guidelines to be followed for future articles, according SEO perspective and user intent. Take advantage of my experience in different fields of content research for more than a decade. Increase your sales and your web positioning from the articles I will write for you.